All right, quick question. What if I told you that with just a few clicks, you could have your small business in front of thousands of potential customers, even if you're just starting out? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not magic, it's Facebook ads. With over 2 billion active users worldwide, Facebook is the place where your customers already are. And guess what? It's waiting for you to tap into that huge potential. But here's the kicker. You don't have to be a marketing genius to make it work for your business. So grab a coffee, because today I'm breaking down how you can use Facebook ads to turn those likes into real sales and loyal customers. Step 1. Know your target audience. Imagine you're throwing a party. Do you want to invite the whole neighborhood, or do you want to focus on the people who will actually have fun and enjoy the music you're playing? Facebook lets you target your audience based on things like age, location, interests, and even behaviors. So, if you're selling eco-friendly beauty products, you can specifically target people who care about sustainability or follow beauty influencers. You wouldn't advertise your eco-friendly skincare to someone who's all about fast food, right? So, spend a little time figuring out who your ideal customer is. If you're a dog groomer, you're probably not looking to target cat owners. It's about making sure your ad gets in front of the people who are most likely to need your service. All right, now let's get creative. Ad content is key. Think of your ad like a storefront window. If you walk by and there's a sales sign, or better yet, a dog in an adorable sweater, you're going to stop and take a look, right? Your visuals have to grab attention. Use high-quality photos or videos that show your product in action. A clean, bright image of a new pair of sneakers, yes please. Or how about a quick, fun video showing your food delivery service, bringing fresh meals to hungry customers? People love seeing things in motion, but visuals are only half of the equation. Your copy, that's the text on the ad, needs to speak to your audience's emotions. A strong, clear call to action is also a must, whether it's shop now, sign up today, or get your free trial. It's your way of saying, hey, here's what to do next. Okay, so your ad is live. Now comes the fun part: monitoring performance. This isn't set it and forget it. No. You're like a DJ at a concert, and the crowd's telling you how they feel. Are they vibing with your beats, clicking on your ad, or are they walking away, scrolling past? Facebook gives you all the details you need: engagement, click-through rates, conversions. You can see exactly how people are interacting with your ad and use that info to adjust. Maybe your headline needs a little more sparkle, or maybe your image isn't catching enough attention. Tracking your ad's performance is like checking your car's fuel gauge. It tells you when to speed up or slow down. Don't just assume it's working. Dive into those metrics and make improvements along the way. On-screen text. Step 4, run A/B tests. Host with a playful smile. Want to really step up your ad game? It's time for A/B testing. This is where you create 2 versions of your ad and test which one performs better. For example, test 2 different images or 2 different headlines. Which one gets more clicks? Is it best deals for summer or summer savings you can't miss? You won't know unless you try. Host, voiceover. You're basically dating your ads. Try different versions and see which one your audience falls in love with. It's all about finding the right match. On-screen text. Step 5, set your budget. Host. Last but definitely not least, budget. Look, you don't need a huge budget to make an impact. Whether you have $5 a day or $500 a day, Facebook ads are flexible. Host, start small. Test with a lower budget to see what works. You can always increase your spending once you know what's bringing in the results. Think of it like trying a new restaurant. You don't order the whole menu right away, right? Start with the special, see if you like it, and then go for more. On-screen text, how to use Facebook ads, quick steps. Host with enthusiasm. Now let's quickly break down how to set up your first Facebook ad. Create a Facebook ads account. Head over to Facebook Business Manager. Don't worry, it's super simple to set up. You'll need to link your business page and set your payment method. Choose your campaign objective. Facebook gives you different objectives depending on what you want to achieve. Whether it's traffic, engagement, or conversions, just pick what fits your goal. Want more website visits? Go for traffic, target your audience. This is where you define who sees your ad. Select your audience's age, location, interests, and more. The more specific, the better. Create your ad upload, your images or video, write your ad copy, and set your call to action. Make it appealing and clear. Set your budget and schedule. Choose how much you want to spend and schedule when your ads should run. You can start with a daily budget or a lifetime budget, depending on how much you're willing to spend. Launch and monitor. Hit, publish, and boom, your ad is live. Don't forget to keep an eye on its performance through Facebook's insights and make adjustments as needed. Scene transitions back to host, smiling confidently. Host. So there you have it. 5 simple steps to harnessing the power of Facebook ads and boosting your small business sales. Trust me, if you put these steps into action, you'll start seeing results faster than you can say target audience. post with excitement. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe for more tips and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Have questions or want to share your success story? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from you. Until next time, happy advertising, and here's to your business booming. Outro music.